Buckle up, today's docket is packed with drama, legal tension, and some life-altering decisions. Our first stop? College student whose future might just skid off the road thanks to one critical mistake. Let's dive in.
Through Jalen Washington. Mr. Washington, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
November 7th, 2024. Traffic stop on the vehicle after observing truck operator side registration in July 2024. Failing to maintain a single lane with both tires crossing over the white marked lane. Defendant's vehicle failing to signal a lane change. The defendant was the driver of the motor vehicle, and upon contact, the officer observed him with a strong odor of alcoholic beverage, glossy eyes, sweaty balance, slurred speech, and the defendant was slow to answer questions at times. The defendant admitted drinking and defendant field sobriety test were
0.106 on the breathalyzer. That's not just over the limit, it's a flashing red light. Combine that with lane swerving and slurred speech, and we're looking at a textbook DUI. Here's a quick legal nugget. In Texas, anything above 0.08 is presumed intoxication. So this case, it's not off to a good start.
HGN, Texas, walk and turn 508, one leg stand 204. The DIC is red on the defendant. The result is 0.106 to 0.106.
0.106 on the breathalyzer? That's way over the legal limit of 0.08. Add in swerving, slurred speech, and expired registration. This guy's in real trouble. He's also a college student.
That's the moral gut punch, isn't it? Should a single mistake derail someone's entire future, or should there be a chance for redemption? Drop your take in the comments. Backhand index pointing down, this debate hits harder than the gavel.
Student studying architecture, which makes this even more serious. Should a DUI ruin someone's career plans? Let us know in the comments.
Mr. Washington, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to forward the case. How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living?
Currently I work at FedEx on May College.
You're currently enrolled in college? Great. Where do you go?
Notice how the judge pivots here. He's not just punishing, he's warning. Judges often impose pre-trial conditions like sobriety to monitor behavior before the actual trial. It's a test, and failure could land you in jail before the verdict even hits.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. What are you studying?
Teacher. So engineer.
Fantastic. Great. It's a big hiccup, man. It's going to really affect you. You know, anytime you want to get licensed to be an architect, you got to be licensed. All this. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or prescribed controlled medication. You're not allowed to smoke any marijuana. I'm going to test you. If I find that you continue to use, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand? I'm not asking much. I'm just asking to stay clean. That's it. Do you have a Texas driver license?
Yes, sir.
Do you have liability insurance in your name?
But I don't have a car review.
Do you see if he has a license? Any prior DUIs as well?
There are no priors, so I'll run his license for now.
You don't have insurance in your name, then you're not allowed to drive any vehicle. You have to have insurance for, I don't care what car you're driving, unless you have insurance on whatever car you're driving, then you may not drive. You know, don't come up here and tell me, well, the car has insurance. No. People get insured. Do you understand?
You're right.
Okay. Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer? You're going to go hire a lawyer? Okay. If you have any issues, if you want me to appoint your lawyer, just come back, tell me, and I'm happy to do it. You know, money that you have, I'd rather you spend it on school. Are you sure? You don't want an appointed lawyer?
Oh, I'm making a phone call.
Okay. Got to understand.
And now it's tea time. Literally. 2 open twisted teas in the cup holders combined with prescription muscle relaxers. That's a legal cocktail for disaster. Reminder, even unopened alcohol in the wrong spot can be a charge, let alone this combo.
Understand that if you're going to hire a lawyer, there's a lot of timing requirements for the DWI. Don't sit and wait a month, 2 months, 3 weeks because you're hurting yourself. You got to do it like lickety split. Do you understand? Okay, like I said, you ever have any issues, come back, talk to us, and we can appoint your lawyer, okay? For sure. So I'll have you sign a release of Victoria. We'll have you get with Felicia for your bond conditions. If you have a change of heart, just come back. You know? Danielle Free. Miss Free, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Or officer can be traffic stop on the vehicle for observing speeding 55 miles per hour in a 40 mile an hour zone. Over 78 blocks into highway. On contact, the officer will take a photo of alcoholic beverage of the correct. And feels writing for conducted.
2 open twisted teas in the cup holders? That's a clear open container violation. And mixing alcohol with prescription muscle relaxers? Yikes. Quick tip, even unopened alcohol in the wrong spot can get you charged. Would you go easy here, or is this too much?
Yeah, walk and turn 3 out of 8. And one leg stand 3 out of 4. And me drinking, taking prescription muscle relaxers on occasion. The officer located a case of twisted keys in the motor vehicle with 2 open cans of twisted keys, 1 in each cup holder, and GI.
Consuming while driving?
There were 2 open cans in each cup holder, since you're on. GICs were red and the defendant concession was black.
Miss Free, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now ordering you not to drive. Do you understand? You are not allowed to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If you consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication, likewise you will go to jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? Any prior DWIs, Alex? Any prior criminal history at all?
She has a fire racing on a highway that was early.
What do you do for a living, Miss Free? Why?
I just graduated nursing school, so I was a CNA caregiver in an independent care facility. But right now I help take care of my great grandma, so it's just a lot of that.
So how do you support yourself? How do you eat?
I live with my grandparents and I help them take care of her. She can't take care of herself. She has dementia and a mental disorder.
I'll fill out an application for you. I need to know everything about you, how much money you make, what kind of car you drive, any source of income that you have, but money in the bank, stocks, bonds, IRAs. I'll have you fill out an application, but I need to know everything about you. Don't zeros, because I'm going to send it right back to you. Do you understand? And I'll see whether you qualify. Above all else, do not drive. Do you understand? There's no justification that you can give for getting in a car. Likewise, don't consume alcohol or drugs. If you have a problem, you better address it. If you don't, I'm going to do it for you. I promise you're not going to like the way that I do. Do you understand? Okay. You might give me an application. Guys, we're talking about Akin Pellu. Is he on the docket today or no?
No, I just wanted to show that.
Let me give you a clause number, guys. And just, I'm at a loss of everything, you know? You're on 2 different felony probations. Both of those for driving while intoxicated. Both of those are felonies. So it's not only do you pick up 1 DWI, you pick up 2nd DWI. You get on probation for both of those. And now you pick up here, driving on a suspended license. We ordered you, number 1, not to drive, and number 2, not to drive. That's all I've ordered you to do. Don't consume alcohol, and don't drive. Anything happen upstairs?
We are there. To be fair, I think the integrity of the machines are in question. Number 7. So we pick up the first one, October 29. You
told him to test Monday and Thursday.
He picked up what? Machine?
No, when he thought it was a tamper on 10/29, he started testing Monday, Thursday, his substance. So on Thursday, 11/7, he was here in court. He tested 12 o'clock. At 11 a.m., he got temper, sign of alcohol. However, the test was clean with the test you told him to take. So which tells me that machine's integrity is not correct. So the integrity is maintained. He has not been drinking either time. He's coming to the court, he's not drinking. So that machine saying tampering alcohol, he goes and tests on 11/7, 12 p.m., an hour after the tampering of alcohol. He may be telling the truth. And I understand what we're dealing with, but he has tampering, sign of alcohol, and it dissipates, and it's nothing. So,
I'm on the same page as you as far as I never want to punish someone who's not done anything wrong. We don't do that. We're the exact opposite. I mean, I scrutinize every single thing Michael does. Every case, every probable cause, I don't think I scrutinize the hell out of it. But at the same time, I also do that with people that are in front of us as well as people with charges, right?
and Your Honor, to say out there, I know that you are a judge that will be very similar to this situation. So, I'm just saying.
So we take a urine sample. It looks like on 11. What day was it? 11/7.
Samples taken around 2 weeks. You need two that day, one upstairs and one downstairs. So 11 and 1 o'clock. Yeah, you had to do 2 different samples. 11:07, say he tampers and assigned alcohol. So he was here in court and still have 2 urinalysis around the same time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Have a test for 11/7 because I don't have it.
Yeah, so it's not another because right now it's just results. So it's presented with this. So nothing to that. I have all my school. It should be.
What time was the positive for alcohol on 11/7?
For the SCRAM, please.
I was like 11 and 1.
Hey, Judge, I might have an unupdated report. The only BVR I have here is for a SCRAM violation from October 3rd.
Yes.
Was there another violation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Violation technically pending on you because he was coming in that day, so I addressed the violation. So they were waiting to file, because one of that 2 files, because he was going to address it back to court. And that's what we're taking from 11/7. So that violation is pending a PVR because just taking action on it already.
Do we have a,
I sworn you said that there's no presumptive alcohol
Oh, 11%.
on 11/7.
No, there's a presumptive negative for the which is not rapid.
Yeah, you're right. I know that one.
It was the alcohol detected, but.
What time was that? Is that we've got?
So we got it right here. So Randy Gordon. The order was to obtain a SCRAM device. So the SCRAM device is to bring one tamper event. The tamper event occurred at 11/7, 12:42 p.m. He was taking the test at 12:30 p.m.
Hold on. Saying it was 11/7.
12:42 p.m. And so let's email on November 11th. Everybody in court. Alcohol was detected during the tamper. However, alcohol cannot be confirmed as consumption because of the nature of the tamper.
Yeah, 25 p.m. and 7 baseline at 8:04 p.m.
You also took another test with you guys in 11/7.
Yeah.
Wait, he tested positive on one machine, then negative minutes later? Either this man has superhero metabolism or the machine needs a reboot. Judges often say, don't trust the gadget, trust the science. So would you believe the tech or the test?
That was, 12:47, I believe.
How? What? So 12:42 he tests positive for alcohol, and then at 12:47 he tests negative. Am I right?
It was, sorry, I'll do it was on Tuesday, I have no idea how they were going after me to let me know. But I can't check on the
Okay. So 11/7, we got the email on November 11th. Okay. Then we can go to the email she just sent me to tell you when the lab test was submitted. She just sent me this email. And this email from Amber's side individual screening report on 11/7, it says that it was one of the collection times was 12:08.
SCRAM says alcohol at 12:42. A urine test 5 minutes later? Completely clean. So either the machine's faulty or he sobered up at superhero speed. Would you trust the tech or the test? This might be the difference between freedom and jail time.
Yeah, on 11/7, 12:24. He did that. So that means while he was in court, he would have to drink. Then he took another test after that. What I'm saying is, I'm saying this whole, we're in trial right now. The whole integrity of these machines will be in question right now because in the previous test, because the same exact message that we got on 11/7 was the same exact message that we got on 10/29.